Hey guys, welcome to Digit. Today we have with us the Portronics PowerPlate 2 Spike Guard, which is a 3 power socket power converter with 3 USB ports as well. As you can see on the packaging, we've got 3 power sockets, 3 2.1 USB-A charging ports, a cord length of 1.8 meters. Additionally, it's also made with PC alloy and fireproof material, supposedly eco-friendly. It has over voltage protection, over temperature protection, and also short circuit protection. Let's turn it around and see if there are any more specs here. So it's a 2500 watt high power converter, and like it was mentioned in the front, we've got 3 plugs and more. So let's open it up. So here we've got the cable for it, which is, like we mentioned, 1.8 meters in length. You've got a 3-pin connector here, and you've got the power button over here, which you can use to turn the spike guard on, and you've got 3 USB ports over here. If you take a look around, nothing much else here. You can open it up, and you've also got the ability to mount this on your wall with a nail if you so want to. And so there you have the Portronics PowerPlate 2 Spike Guard. Thanks for watching.